Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Schneider Electric EVlink in a multi-car driveway step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the installation location for the Schneider Electric EVlink charger. Ensure that the area is easily accessible for multiple vehicles. Identify a suitable mounting surface, such as a wall or a post. Check local electrical codes and obtain any necessary permits. Gather all the required tools and materials for the installation. These typically include a drill, screws, a level, and electrical wiring. Turn off the power supply to the area where you will be working. Unbox the Schneider Electric EVlink and review the installation manual. Locate the installation template included with the charger. Hold the template against the wall or post and mark the drill holes. Use a level to ensure the template is straight. Drill the marked holes according to the template specifications. Securely mount the charger to the surface using appropriate screws. Make sure it is firmly attached and stable. Next, prepare the electrical wiring for connection. Run the electrical wire from your main electrical panel to the charger location. Ensure the wire is rated for the load of the EVlink charger. Connect the wiring to the charger following the manufacturer's instructions. Double-check all connections for security and accuracy. Once wired, close the charger's cover to protect the internal components. Turn the power back on at the main electrical panel. Test the EVlink charger to ensure it's functioning properly. Check the indicator lights on the charger for operational status. If everything is working, tidy up the installation area. Consider adding signage to inform users about the charger's availability. Lastly, ensure the charger is easily accessible for all vehicles in your driveway. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.